Hello, dear Leos. A very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general reading for all the Leos, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Okay, so keep in mind these are general readings. This might or might not resonate with you. It might not be your story at all. If it is not resonating with you, obviously, okay. And the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. Okay, let's start now. The love reading for Leos. What's happening with you guys? This is a reading from 11th of July till 21st of July. Let's start. Leos, your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Leos, your partner's current energy right now is, let's see, shuffling is very important, very important. Nine of Swords. I feel like Leo, your partner right now wants to rush into this connection. They want to, come towards you in a very hurried energy. And they feel like you are going to run away if they are not going to hurry, or somebody is going to steal you if they are not going to make it, okay, on time. This is the thing. So they are, at least they are carrying this energy right now. I don't know if they are doing it no, or not, but yes, I feel like they want to rush into this connection. Might be there is something else that they want to rush into. Let's see, let's clarify. Let's clarify why are they carrying this energy of Knight of Swords right now? Let's see. Let's clarify. The Fool, the Judgment, Three of Swords. Okay. So yeah, I feel like this person wants to have a brand new start in this connection, and they are not thinking about the past. They are not thinking about the future. They just want to rush into this connection because they feel like everything is good now, because they are seeking for forgiveness, and they are in the state of mind that they are going to forgive you, and they're deeply heartbroken. There's something that broke their heart, and they are feeling like they should just come towards you, because otherwise you're going to run away, or otherwise somebody else will take you, or there's something that is making them rush into this connection, rush towards you, because this is like a brand new beginning from their side. They are taking the risk. They are feeling like, yeah, I want this person in my life, Leo in my life, whether it is going to work out or not, but I just want this person in my life because I have forgiven them, and I will ask for forgiveness from them, and I'm deeply heartbroken, so I just need them to heal myself. Yeah, this is the situation. For some of you, I feel like this person is deeply heartbroken because of the third party, and now they want to rush into you. They want to rush towards you because they feel like else you are also going to run away. Okay, now they are realizing what they did with you. Okay, let's see what's your current energy, Leos. Your current energy right now is, Leos, your current energy right now is Tower. You are going through some kind of you are going through some kind of breakup. You are going through some kind of awakening. For some of you it is kind of spiritual awakening. For some of you it is a breakup, and this is the final breakup. So I feel like this is the final thing that is happening with you now, and you're realizing that things are never going to be the same as they were. This is the situation. Okay, Leos, you are going through some kind of breakup, some kind of heartbreak in your life right now, and this is some kind of things that is making you really sad actually right now. I'm a Leo rising myself, I can connect with it, but whomsoever is like a Leo sun sign, they are going to connect with it more. Okay, let's clarify the Tower in your current energy. Two of Cups, Three of Wands, and the Five of Cups. Oh my God. So Leos, I feel like you're deeply sad because somebody broke your heart and you felt like this is a soulmate connection, but they turned their back towards you. They might left. I feel like they left you because of somebody else, or they left you because somebody else is also involved in this thing, and you are deeply sad, deeply disappointed, deeply regretting their loss. You are feeling like, what the hell is happening? I'm not happy at all. Although I know that this person is no more mine, but I'm feeling sad. I'm really sad. Yeah, you're really sad. Okay, okay. At least energetically, you are feeling like you're really sad, and nothing is making you happy right now. Gosh, I can feel your energy, and you can see the sadness on my face as well. I'm really sorry. Let's see what this person feels for you. Eight of Cups. Why the hell this reading is going this way? I'm not feeling good now. I don't want to do this, but I have to do this. So, what this person is feeling right now? To walk away. Although I feel like this person's current energy right now is that they want to come towards you because they're heartbroken, and because they're feeling like you are a good choice for them. But this person right now is feeling like they should walk away, or they are feeling like you walked away from them, or you are walking away from them. So this is the thing. Yes, Leos, I feel like this person is feeling like you are walking away from them and you are just now not ready to come back towards them. This is what they are feeling for you, that you're walking away from them. This is making me really sad. I don't know why. Yeah, can you see the anxiety and stress on my face as well because of this? I don't know why I am feeling like that, because might be I'm a tarot card reader, and might be because I'm intuitively connected. So yeah, let's clarify this. Seven of Swords, the Hierophant, Ace of Cups. They're feeling like you're walking away from them because you got to know about some kind of secret. There is some kind of secret that came out to light, and they're feeling like they're feeling like they got to know about somebody else, and that you are connected with somebody else, or you love somebody else. Yeah, and that is why Leos, they are feeling like you are walking away from them. Okay, this is very difficult to understand. Actually, this person is feeling like you have somebody else also in this equation, and you are walking away from them because you are connected to somebody else, and you have love feelings for somebody else, and you are committed to somebody else. And this is the secret that came out to light. Might be this person is going to tell you themselves, or you are going to tell them that I am involved with somebody else as well, or I just want somebody else in my life. You could be dealing with a Taurus, by the way, Leo. Difficult to understand what is happening. I can feel the heat. Yeah, let's see, Leos, what this person wants from you. Let's see. Nine of Cups. This person wants you to be happy. uh, Actually, this person wants you to be happy and single and busy in your life. This is what they want from you. This is the Nine of Cups energy. This person is blessing you that every wish of yours might get fulfilled, and you will get best in your life, and you are going to be really happy in your life. So they are wishing you the best in your life. This person just wants you to be happy in your life. This is the thing, Leos. Okay, let's clarify. So the roles can be reversed anytime. If it is like might be you are blessing them that they should be happy, might be you are walking away from them, or might be they are walking away from you. There's something happening here. Please uh, keep it, how is it resonating with you, how it is resonating with you. Okay, let's clarify. The Star could be dealing with an Aquarius, King of Swords, and the Lovers. You could be dealing with a Gemini. So what this person wants from you, this person wants you to be really hopeful and positive about the future, to work on yourself, and to take your stand. This person wants you to be clear about what you want from your life, and this person wants you to get involved with someone. What? And I feel like this person wants you to be happy with someone. This is what they want from you. This person wants that your wish can be, may God fulfill your wish. And I feel like this person feels oh God, I'm not able to say that. I'm not I don't know why, but yes, all this person wants from you is to be happy, and all this person wants from you is to be clear about your intentions, to be very clear about your intentions, and to be in a relationship with somebody whom you are going to love, or whom you are going to feel happy with. What kind of weird reading is this? I don't know, but this is, yes, this is what is happening right now. So this person right now, I feel like this person, Leo, this person is like right now treating you as an option only, because they are heartbroken, or because they are sad, they want to rush into you and they want to come towards you. But in general, I feel like this person, all this person wants from you is to be happy. They want happiness, your happiness. Okay, let's see what to expect from this person till 21st of July. Let's see. Knight of Cups. Okay, I feel like this person is coming towards you with beautiful emotions of love and care. Okay, although this is a messy connection right now, although the things are really messed up right now, but I feel like this person is coming towards you with lots of love and emotions. This is non-committal energy. They are not going to commit, or they are not going to say any kind of I love you and bullshit. But yes, this is caring energy. This is loving energy. This is what is coming towards you from this person's side. Okay, let's clarify. Let's clarify. Six of Swords in reverse, the Ten of Wands, and the Two of Wands. Okay. So I feel like this person wants is this person is coming towards you because they want to resolve the scenario what was happening between you guys. They want to resolve this burdensome situation, and they just want you to wait. They just want you to wait for the right time. I don't know for what kind of right time is coming, but yes, this person wants you to wait for the right time. This is the thing, and they just want to release the burdensome situation between you. They want to have a peaceful resolution, but they are not able to find it. So this person just right now wants you to wait for the right time. I don't know what kind of wait, but yes, they want you to wait so that they can come towards you, might be permanently, or so that they can connect with you on that deeper level. But there's something that they want you to wait about. Okay. And they're coming in towards you, but there will be loving and caring energy, but that's not love, or that's not you can say that type of love. Okay. Friendship kind of love, or concern kind of love. Yeah. So thank you so much, Leos, for tuning in. I know this is a weird reading, but yes, we have to get to know the truth, and we have to deal with the truth so that we can move further in life. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste. See you soon. Bye.